Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you how to replace your sway bar in your car. So I have 2006 Buick Allure and I have a broken sway bar. I will show you how to change it. Okay, let's start. Okay, before we start, we need to remove the two tires in front and we need to put some jack stand, jack, and wheel chock. Okay, I will just prepare everything, then ready to go. Okay, so two tires has been removed. On the other side, and those are my jack stand and my jack, and my emergency brake is on just for safety, and I have a piece of wood to stop this car from moving. And now the reason why I need to change my sway bar, it's cracked as you can see here. And what we need to do is to remove this end link, remove that bracket. So it has 1, 2 bolts, 3, and there's another 3 bolts on the other side. So total 6 bolts. Okay, let's start. Okay, so after 15 minutes, finally remove these 3 bolts on the right side. These are the bolts. You can see here and there. These bolts are so rusty, so I put some WD-40 but didn't work. I use oil, motor oil, and it works really good. But if you have the coil, that will work better. Okay, now I will do the other side. Okay, so I will show you my trick. So you need to stop this using the 14 millimeter, and this one is also a 14 millimeter, and this is so hard to remove, so you need I only have a small wrench. So what I did is I used an extension. See, I used this and put it like this. See, and it works good, and now it's already loose. Look. Okay, so finally remove all the bolts. Okay, let's see if I can take this up. I'll pull it from this side because I don't have enough room to pull on the other side. So, let's see. Okay, so to be able to remove this bar, you need to pry this bracket. You need to pry it using the flat screwdriver, so you will be able to pull it on the other side. See? Okay. Okay, so I removed. Okay, finally took this out. It's so hard to do this. Okay. Same size, that seems different shape, but I will try this one. Okay guys, so my sway bar has been installed. As you can see, all done. So to be able to do this job, you need the 13 millimeter socket, 15 millimeter socket, and you also need the 13 millimeter wrench like this. So you need 13 millimeter here to stop it, then you need the 13 millimeter also here to turn it to open or close. Then for here you need 15 millimeter socket or 15 millimeter wrench, and that's it. That's how you do it. So there's some car that hard to do this job, like this car, my Buick 2006 Allure. I had a hard time pulling out this bar because of the shape, and to be able to do that I need to undo the bolts on the frame, but I didn't do it, so I just pull it from the driver's side, and I was able to pull it. It took me at least 5 hours to pull it, but still I was able to do it. Okay guys, just a reminder, I'm not a mechanic. I'm just doing this just to save me some money and to help other guys like you. It's up to you if you want to do it or not. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit the bell button to get notified for my next video. If you subscribe here, I'll be happy. Don't worry, it's absolutely free, 100% free. I'll be thankful. Thank you guys. Bye. See you next time.